Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your REALME C75. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the media and the call volume. And the catch here is you cannot adjust the call volume in the settings. So we can go over to the settings app. Now we got the sounds and vibration, and here we got the media volume. Now, as you guys can see, it's already boosted up for me. It's at a 400%. And now for the call volume, all we have to do is go over into the phone app and here increase it by pressing the volume up button. So all you simply do is press and hold the button until you see the entire line filling up with white, just like this. Now we have adjusted our media and the call volume. I recommend putting them at max because we want to make sure that there's no volume problems anymore. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go over into the settings again. And here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go over to sounds and vibration. Now look at the top here, and we want to make sure that we set it on a ring and we disable do not disturb, because we all know that do not disturb mutes every single notification and also some calls, but sometimes it may just lower the volume. So that's why we're going to turn it off and make sure that we test it out. If there's no difference, you can turn it back on if you're using it. If not, you can keep it disabled. Now, what are we going to do next is, as you guys can see, we do not have a headphone port here. So if you're using wired USB-C headphones, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the charging port. And to do that, I recommend using a soft brush like this or using an air compressor. Also, you can do the same for the speaker grills. So we're going to go over, put our phone like this. And now what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we really get into the port. And now we can just wipe it all off just like that. And we can continue doing our work, but we want to make sure that the brush actually goes in. The brush, if it's very soft, just like this one, it won't damage the port, so make sure you're using a soft one. And for the speaker grills, it might be a bit hard to get it inside at first, but it is still normal and you can easily clean it. If you can't get into the speakers, you can use the air compressor. It works the same, you just spray the air. Now, what are we going to do next is we're going to restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So we're going to press the power button, and here we're going to swipe up to restart it. Now, as you guys can see, the screen went black, we see the logo, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and update our software to fix any audio glitches. So we're going to wait for the phone to turn on, wait for our widgets to load, and for our Wi-Fi to turn back on. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll up to open up the app drawer. And here we're going to go to the settings. And in the settings, we're going to go and scroll down until we see System and Update. I am still waiting on my Wi-Fi. We got it. Now let's click on System and Update. Click Software Update, the first option from the top, and it is checking for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, we have our results. Now my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.